Hello students, this time our experiment is a measurement of speed. In the first part, I will introduce the tools and functions of the tools used. The second part, I will provide an explanation of the steps in the work. And also, I will give an example of how to read observation through the video. And the last part, I will make a series of experiments and you will write down the data needed to fill in or answer the question on the worksheet provided. In this experiment, you need a worksheet that I included in LMS. You can download it. After you have worked on the worksheet, then all you have to do is upload the answer result in the form of photos, words, or PDF. You can choose one. Most students send it in PDF format. Let's get started. The tools you need are two stands to support the light gate. Light gate function as a light sensor. When an object passes through it, the light gate will detect. Thus, the second light gate will also detect object passing through it. The time difference between incoming and outgoing object will be recorded by the time counter. The time counter has a power button to activate it. We don't use e-magnet and CH over. The button needed for this experiment is the function button to reset the display starting from 0 when it will be used. Make sure the indicator is on timing too, which functions as a start and stop. The reading result will be displayed. The indicator unit, it will be millisecond or second. Then we have a remote toy car, which will control this car. We will only use one car. The car has 3 batteries and one motor that drives the gear connected to the wheels. The car is given paper in front of it, which will be detected by the light gate. The car will be driven using a remote control that will go through the light gate. The first step, set the distance between the two light gates using a ruler or measuring tape. This distance will be the value of x in meters. The second step, make sure the car will be in a straight line and the paper in the car made it past the two light gates. The third step, note the readings on the timer counter display. This result are the time. We will write it in the T symbol. And don't forget, after taking notes, press the function button so the display shows 0. And don't forget, write the result of the experimental data in this table. The fourth step, do the experiment again in step 3. I will do 2 data retrieval for the same x distance value. In recording these 2 values, will be average and will be one value of t for certain x. Final step, retrieve data for different x values, then step 1 to step 4 will be redone. Now, I will do experiment for you and you will record the distance value x on the ruler or measuring tape and time t on the timer counter on the worksheet provided. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.